I found this typewriter next to the courtyard dumpster, an old Underwood 5 with original carriage return. Took her home, polished her up, and bought a brand new ribbon off of electronicbay.com.
Okay, somebody's got to do something. I'm getting a cluster headache.
Oh, he's leaving.
Let's go. I'm gonna throw it away. No, I'm not. It weighs 1 billion tons.
Well, what is he typing anyway?
If you sons of bitches try to remove this typewriter, I'll kill you.
I'm gonna type every word I know. Rectangle, America, megaphone, Monday, butthole.